you're planning?
You don't know?
No, I don't.
It's a very, very pretty one. I hope you like it. And it's fun one.
What is that?
So, basically, you get this picture and it has this foil. You peel it and they're like glue. And you get like these gems and you
So
stick
we have
it.
to stick the gems.
Yeah, like stick it on the gem. It like gives you a pen, like so, and a like sticky thing where like you press like the stuff into the pen, and then you can grab the gems and stick it onto the picture.
Let's open it. I'm so excited.
Here.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's open it.
Yeah! I told you!
Ta-da!
So like we
These
got
are
these are the
gems.
gems. We have lots of gems.
Different colors.
See, I told you there was pen. No, we have this pink pen that I love pink. And we have this tray so we can put the
We
beads.
can put the gems in this,
you
and
see
this is
that?
the pen.
Like you press the pen like into here, and like the glue gets inside the pen, so then you can like get the gems.
And then we have to stick it on the frame. Okay, how many gems do we have? See this? There's purple, then there's green, red, then the blue. So we have to make Parrot. Okay, look at the
That's so
picture.
pretty.
Whoa.
We cannot feel this yet.
There are numberings on it. So I think we have to put it as per the numbers.
Wait,
1, 2, 3,
I feel the
4,
stickiness. I feel the stickiness.
then
No,
5,
don't feel it yet.
6,
Okay.
7. So there's the sequence. So we have to put it one by one.
We need to put this on the side because we need to put
We're gonna.
not yet.
Yeah,
Yeah, but we need to open up the flags first, I guess. This, okay guys, don't worry of this. Like, if it's nighttime and you're doing this and your mom and dad tell you to go to bed, this glue will not, like, it will stay forever. It will not go off. You get 2 of each color.
so we'll open
So
number
number
1.
1, I think we should use the scissors.
Just put it there.
You put the rest on side. Okay. And we're gonna pour it into here. And it's kind of like rainbowy. So now we get this. So now we like, yeah, and like the sticky stuff goes in here. And then,
Just keep it here, no?
okay.
Oh no!
Now, see?
Okay, now we have to stick it as per the shape here. There.
Our first one.
So shiny.
Shiny. Second.
Yeah.
Ah, didn't stick. Oh my goodness, what is going on?
Oh no!
The dancers.
Those are not sticking right.
Our pen's not working, so I'm
Pen is not working, so we're gonna just use our hands. It will be quicker.
Yeah. There you go.
There you go.
And it's so relaxing to do this. Very relaxing. Okay. Everything's so sticky.
So you do number 1, then I'm gonna do the number 2.
Yeah. We take turns.
Yeah,
Then
okay.
I do the number 2.
Okay, go.
I rolled up my sleeves because it's sticky. We only have 2 more gems to go. Get the other, here's the scissors. Get the other one for me, please. Oh, finish it.
One is finished?
Yeah.
So we have
Another one. So,
extra for each, so in case.
wait, I need to finish these.
Oh, okay, you have more ones?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
That's why they give you 2 packs.
Oh, I thought it's extra.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Where is number 2? I can't see. Oh, it's here. I'm gonna start 2.
But there's not a.
No, that's fine. I'm
You
gonna
can put it
start.
here.
Yes. Otherwise, it's gonna take a lot of time.
Yeah, it's gonna take like forever because this picture's so big. So yeah. Oh my god, these are actually so pretty.
Look at that. Look at that.
Pink is my favorite color and that's so pretty. I think that's too much one. I don't know. What did I do? Dada, can you help me? What did I do? Okay, this right here. Oh no. There's no more in one spot and I have these leftovers.
Maybe there is. Check carefully.
Oh wait, there's one more one here.
See, I told you.
Okay, let's see. Do you think there's more one? Why does it?
Maybe there is.
Okay, there's not. If we have more at the end of the picture, I'm just gonna save these for my gem collection. So yeah. I'm
Start with 3.
I started on the green now.
And I'll start with
And the red.
the rubies.
Not in the green one.
See this? So beautiful, so pretty.
Here.
Haya is putting emerald, I'm putting rubies.
This one. And I don't know how many. 9
I'm so fast.
and 11, 12,
I'm faster
13,
than Haya.
14. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna be faster than you. Let's see who finished first.
I'll finish rubies first.
But you have a second packet.
I have one more, I think.
Yeah, you do. You dropped it on the
Oh
page.
no!
Oh my god, you only have one left.
No, I have more.
You have more.
I have.
Oh yeah, you have this packet. Started on my blue.
Started with the greens, the small
Small
ones.
greens. I do have these.
The small detailings.
Yeah, they're small ones. And there's only one packet.
We're halfway there already.
Yeah. Baba, you know you have some.
Look how small these are.
You also have some here, Baba. I think I'm almost finished. Oh, I dropped one.
Wow.
Where's my second packet of blue? Where's the blue? Okay, oh. Where? I need to get my second packet. Get my second packet. Oh. There you go. I'm enjoying this a lot.
Yeah, from where you got this idea?
My friend Alyssa gave me another one of this, and she showed me how to do it, and I enjoyed it, so that's why I got this one.
Who? Alyssa bought it for
Yeah,
you?
she's my friend. And thank you, Alyssa. Okay, I don't think I'm enjoying.
We're enjoying.
We're enjoying it a lot. Okay, I'm on number 5.
We're gonna thank Alyssa.
Now I'm moving on to 7. That is this blue, dark blue color. And just put it over here. There. I think you need to put more. The parrot looks so pretty now.
This way.
Woo!
Halfway there.
So I'm using with the hands and Baba's using with the pen. So in case if you lose your pen, you can use with your hands. There's
Because in
no problem.
box there's only one pen.
Yeah.
There should be 2 pens.
Hey! I have no different here.
Pick it up.
I think I'm almost done with 7. You have 3 more packets to do.
For 9?
Yeah! See? I can help you in 9 after I finish. I think I'm almost finished with the dark blue.
And I'm almost finished with number 9.
Yep. Yeah, I'm finished.
Finish?
Yeah, I'm
Help
finished.
me with 9, please.
Okay, then we can do the 8
Because
together.
8 is very small. See this?
8. And it's kind of like a rainbow.
Sparkly.
Sparkly, sparkly. Okay, now let's do 9. There's lots of more. Okay, on 8.
This is a sparkly one.
Yeah, sparkly.
And it's very small. This is the last one.
Yeah, this is our last color.
And
and we have another
and
8.
Parrot will be ready.
And we have another 8 packets.
Here we have to put more. It's here also. This parrot is same like the one in the movie.
Which I don't know whatever.
You have seen the movie Aladdin?
No.
What?
You never showed me whatever that.
You haven't seen the movie? Okay. This weekend movie night. That's the last line. We are almost finished.
Yeah.
And they should have given something for the eyes and all this.
Yeah. But it looks good so far.
And we are done.
It's pretty on the wall.
Wow. We're gonna buy more of these.
Yeah.
It was interesting.
I hope you like my videos. For now, subscribe and bye. Like, subscribe, and share.